Rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video. Pull Up King. This video we got a 2012 Dodge Ram Lone Heart 5.7. Alright, so in this video we're going to be replacing the upper control arm and the sway bar link. So the driver's side is complete. Now we're going to do this side. Now look, I already did the video with the lower control arm repair. I'll link that in the description. Click that if you want to see that repair. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and knock out what we got left. That link there and this control arm. Like I said, that one is new already. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got a 17 mil on that bolt. Then it's a bolt up under here we gotta get out, and that bolt is a 18 mil. What I did, hit it with the impact and I held it. Held that right there because it's gonna spin if you don't. Now we can finish this, take this off and it'll pull out. You see that? It just wiggles. That's why we're replacing it. Too much play, no play. Lube it up, get your lube points. Gotta make sure you grease that. Fill that up with grease. That's what's gonna happen. And we got our nipple screwed in. And that's the sway bar link. Alright, up to the upper control arm. This bolt, we got a 21 millimeter. I'll hit that. Then we got these two here and here. Alright, once it's broken free, you can use that side to get it in or get it out. Alright, we got an 18 mil on this side. Just gonna break that free. I broke it free. I got a little leverage. Put that up under there. Alright, just tap. You want to tap that with your hammer right at this end, and it'll break free, pop loose. Make sure you take that ABS sensor, that wire out. Now we can get to this side. Same thing. Alright, when you get to this point, don't tighten it up all the way, because it's going to be tight. You ain't going to be able to move this. So you want to go ahead and put it in position, get that bolt in, and then tighten up everything. Alright, they give you this for the upper control arm. Show you where that goes. It holds that ABS sensor up. Alright, that's how that goes. And your nipple. That's going to be it. You do need an alignment after this repair, man. Till next time, the Pull Up King.